Hello South Africa. It's Wednesday, March 2, 2022, and here are the top 5 stories that have made headlines for today. It is explained how new ACT could land you in jail over revenge porn. President Cyril Ramaphosa has approved the Films and Public Amendment Act, with the new law coming into operation from March 1, 2022. The regulations primarily handle the sale, hiring and streaming of content on numerous digital platforms in the country. Interestingly, the Act has also introduced stricter regulations surrounding the distribution of online content, including on social media, in the country. Ashley Oosthuizen could be considered for a royal pardon. Ashley Oosthuizen from George in the Western Cape, who was arrested by Thai police in October 2020, is eligible to be considered for a royal pardon, which would be granted on important occasions. According to the legal dictionary, a royal pardon is the forgiveness of a crime or offence by the Crown. It remains as an institution in the UK as in many other monarchies such as Saudi Arabia, Morocco, Cambodia and Thailand. In former times, a pardon might be a free pardon with no other sentence, or a conditional pardon where transportation might be substituted for hanging. In the UK, it remains an exercise of the royal prerogative but is considered part of the justice system. According to a report by the Bangkok Post, Oosthuizen was being treated properly in prison, in line with internationally accepted human rights principles. Police rescue kidnapped businessmen and nabbed 3 suspects. The National Crime Intelligence Anti-Kidnapping Task Team rescued a Vereeniging businessman 5 days after he was snatched from his premises on Friday morning, February 26. The police rescued Zahir Asmal shortly before midnight on Monday. South African Police Service, SAPS, spokesperson Colonel Atlende Matey said the Anti-Kidnapping Task Team, made up of members of the Special Task Force, STF, JMPD and private security, swooped on 3 identified addresses. At the first address, in Lenasia South, the victim was found unharmed. The owner of the house, a 70-year-old man from Mozambique, was arrested. Swellendam serial killer convicted of 6 counts of murder. Serial killer Brian Mudiweona was convicted of 6 counts of murder, a count of robbery with aggravating circumstances and a double count of being in South Africa illegally by the Western Cape High Court sitting at the Swellendam Magistrates Court on Monday, February 28. National Prosecuting Authority, NPA, spokesperson in the Western Cape, Eric Ndabazalila, said the Swellendam court acquitted the accused of 1 count of rape. Mudiweona embarked on his killing spree between 2016 and 2017. He murdered 5 women and a man in Swellendam, Bredasdorp, Mossel Bay and De Dawns during this time period. Woman shot in neck before she gets up and runs away. A disturbing video has emerged of a woman getting shot in the neck in a parking lot in Umhlanga. In the video clip, a man and a woman are seen standing outside a white VW Golf with occupants. While the man is busy with the driver, the woman opens the back door and leans in. The woman gets shot by someone in the back of the car before she falls to the ground, remains on the ground for a second or two before she gets up, and makes a dash for it. This is Leah for the South African.